Home Assistant's real power comes from its add-ons. These are extensions that run alongside HA and unlock features that no other platform can match. Here are the 5 you should install before anything else. Number 1, HACS, the Home Assistant Community Store. Install this before everything else. HACS is a marketplace for community-built integrations, custom dashboard cards, and themes that aren't in the official store. Without HACS, you're missing thousands of useful additions. Installation takes about 5 minutes. Go to hacs.xyz, follow the instructions, and restart Home Assistant. Everything else on this list depends on it. Number 2, Zigbee 2MQTT. This add-on makes any Zigbee device, regardless of brand, work with Home Assistant through a local MQTT connection. It supports over 3,000 devices from manufacturers including IKEA, Aqara, Sonoff, Xiaomi, and dozens more. More importantly, it runs entirely locally with no cloud dependency. Your Zigbee devices work even when your internet is down. Pair it with a Sonoff Zigbee USB dongle for the complete local smart home. Number 3, ESPHome. ESPHome lets you flash custom firmware onto cheap ESP32 and ESP8266 microcontrollers and use them as smart home sensors. Temperature, humidity, presence, buttons, switches, anything. You write the configuration in simple YAML and flash it directly from the browser. A custom temperature sensor costs under €5 to build and integrates natively with Home Assistant. It's one of the most powerful tools in the ecosystem. Number 4, Node-RED. Node-RED is a visual drag-and-drop automation builder. Instead of writing YAML automations, you connect nodes on a canvas. Triggers flow into conditions, which flow into actions. For complex multi-step logic that's hard to express in YAML, Node-RED is far clearer. It also has extensive third-party node libraries for connecting to external services. Install it, open the editor, and your automations become visible workflows. Number 5, File Editor. This is the simplest add-on on the list, but one of the most useful day-to-day. File Editor lets you edit any configuration file in Home Assistant directly in the browser. No SSH, no terminal, no FTP. Click Add-ons, install File Editor, and you can modify configuration.yaml, automations.yaml, and any other file from your phone or laptop with a proper code editor. Install HACS first and everything else follows. Zigbee 2MQTT and ESPHome unlock the hardware side. Node-RED unlocks complex automation. File Editor makes daily configuration changes painless. Together, these 5 add-ons transform Home Assistant from a good platform into an exceptional one. Follow for more Home Assistant tips every day.